Hey guys, what if I told you that while you were watching Netflix tonight, a 19-year-old kid in his bedroom just made $3,000 using AI tools you've never heard of? And the craziest part, he started with zero coding experience, zero business background, and zero followers just 6 months ago. I'm about to show you exactly how he did it, and more importantly, how you can do it too, even if you think you're already too late to the AI gold rush. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're standing at the edge of a massive opportunity, but you're completely paralyzed because you don't know which direction to jump? That's exactly what happens to millions of people right now with AI. Everyone's talking about making money with artificial intelligence. Your neighbor's making passive income with AI chatbots. Your college roommate just launched an AI content agency. Even your mom's asking about AI ChatGPT side hustles. But here you are, stuck in analysis paralysis, drowning in a sea of conflicting advice. One guru says, focus on AI art generation. Another swears by AI copywriting, and someone else insists that AI automation is the only true way to passive wealth. And meanwhile, you're sitting wondering if you've missed the boat entirely. Let me tell you what this really feels like. It's like being dropped in the middle of Times Square during rush hour, blindfolded, with everyone shouting different directions at you. Go left for the subway. No, go right for a taxi. Actually, just stay put and order an Uber. The noise is deafening. The options are endless. And you're more confused than when you started. This is the #1 problem destroying people's AI making money dreams in 2025. It's not a lack of opportunity. It's not even a lack of tools. It's decision paralysis caused by information overload. And here's what makes it even worse. While you're spending weeks researching the perfect AI business model, other people are already out there making money with imperfect strategies. They're not smarter than you. They're in no way more talented than you. They just started moving in one direction instead of standing still. But the real tragedy? You're probably naturally gifted at one particular AI making money method, but you'll never discover it because you're too busy trying to master everything at once. It's like having a natural talent for playing the piano, but never finding out because you're too busy trying to learn every instrument in the orchestra. This scattered approach is costing you more than just money. It's stealing your confidence, your momentum, and your belief that you can actually succeed in this space. Every day you delay is another day someone else is building the AI business of your dreams. So here's the solution, and it's simpler than you think. Instead of trying to boil the ocean, you need to identify your AI making money archetype. There are exactly 4 types of people who make money with AI. And once you know which one you are, everything becomes crystal clear. First, there's the creator. You're naturally drawn to making things. You love the idea of generating AI art, writing AI-assisted books, or creating AI content. If you find yourself constantly brainstorming new ideas and getting excited about bringing concepts to life, you're probably a creator. Second, there's the optimizer. You see inefficiencies everywhere, and you love to fix them. You're the person who automates everything, creates systems, and finds ways to make processes faster and better. If you're constantly thinking about how AI could streamline tasks or eliminate boring work, you're an optimizer. Third, there's the connector. You're a natural networker who loves bringing people together. You thrive on building relationships, understanding what people need, and connecting them with solutions. If you're energized by conversations and see opportunities to help other people through AI tools, you're a connector. Finally, there's the teacher. You love sharing knowledge and helping others succeed. You're the person everyone comes to with questions, and you genuinely enjoy explaining complex concepts in simple terms. If you find yourself constantly learning new things and wanting to share them with others, you're a teacher. Here's the beautiful part. Each archetype has a proven AI making money path that aligns perfectly with your natural strengths. Creators can build AI art studios, write AI assisted novels, or launch AI content agencies. Optimizers can create AI automated services, build AI powered software, or consult on AI implementations. Connectors can become AI tool affiliates, launch AI consulting practices, or build AI powered network platforms. Teachers can create AI courses, start AI coaching programs, or build AI education content. The key is picking one archetype and one path, then going all in for 90 days. Not 6 months, not next year, 90 days. That's enough time to build real momentum and start seeing actual results. But right now, before you do anything else, I want you to take out your phone and record a 2-minute video of yourself explaining any AI tool you've used recently. Don't worry about being perfect. Don't worry about the background. Just talk about what the tool does, how you used it, and what results you got. Upload that video to any social platform with the hashtag AI review. This single action will do 3 things. First, it forces you to position yourself as someone who understands AI. Second, it starts building your authority. And third, it helps you identify whether you're a natural creator, optimizer, connector, or a teacher, based on how you approach the explanation. This isn't just busy work. This is the exact action that kid I mentioned earlier took on his first day. He made a simple video reviewing ChatGPT, got 847 views, that led him to his first AI consultant within a couple of weeks. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great in theory, but does it actually work? What specific steps do I need to take? What tools do I need? What mistakes should I avoid? I get it. You don't know where to start. I totally understand. And I felt the same way. I'm also an overthinker, so I was frozen with fear of failure. But here's what I've learned after moving forward and building an AI income stream. The people who succeed aren't the ones with the perfect plan. They're the ones who start moving in the right direction today, even if they don't have all the answers. Stop letting confusion keep you on the sidelines while others are building the future that you want. Your AI making money journey starts with a single decision, and that decision is right in front of you. Identify your archetypes and take the first step today. The AI revolution is happening with or without you. But it's so much better when you're leading the charge. See you on the next one. Stay safe, stay dangerous.